Hi everyone. Welcome back to WindowzTech. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to fix File Explorer opening slowly or getting stuck on Windows 10 and 11. If you're ready to boost your multitasking efficiency, stick around. This solution is just what you need. And do subscribe to WindowzTech and hit on the bell icon for latest videos. Method 1. Right-click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. In Processes, under the Name column, hit the W key and scroll down till you get Windows Explorer. OK, here is Windows Explorer. Select it and right-click on it and hit Restart. This will kill all the session and refresh all your Windows Explorer setting. Now check if your Explorer is working fast. If not, then try the second method. Method 2. Sometime clearing your Windows temp files can help in speeding your File Explorer. So go to Start and type %temp%. From here, select all these files and delete them. If any warning shows up, skip it or close the required application from the Task Manager. Once this is done, you can check your File Explorer's performance. If this also did not help, then try the next method. Method 3. Go to Start and type Indexing option. Hit Enter or select it. Go to Advanced Options and under Troubleshooting there is Rebuild. Click on it. Here it will rebuild all the indexing setting and hopefully your File Explorer will work smoothly. Still not happy with the performance? Then let's try next method. Method 4. Open the Windows Explorer. Then go to the three dots and click on Options. Under the options you have Privacy over there. Click on the Clear button. This will clear File Explorer history. Click Apply and OK. Again go to the options. Then click on the View tab. Scroll down and select Launch Folder Windows in separate process. Click Apply and OK. Method 5. Again open the File Explorer. Right-click on Download and go to Download Properties. Go to the Advanced option and over there under Archive and Attributes, see this option is marked as unchecked. After that, click on OK. Now go to the Customize tab. Under Optimize this folder, from the drop-down select General Item. Then click Apply and OK. This will apply the setting to all the folder. I have shown you 5 methods. Hopefully one of them should help you in fixing your Windows Explorer slowness. Let me know in the comment which method worked for you well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WindowzTech, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.